Now let us talk about the Study tab. The Study tab present on the home screen provides the list of all the subjects for a particular class. The lessons are developed for each subject such that the entire syllabus gets covered within a stipulated time frame. The modules prepared for all the subjects include the anchor-based modules as well as the animated videos. And why this is being done is so that the most complicated concepts can be easily understood by our students. The video lessons are not just of high quality, but they are also quite interactive and attention grabbing. In addition to a large number of video-based modules, the application also provides a feature of key points, key terms, worksheets, question and answers, etc. Now these are quite helpful for the students to learn and retain the main points of the chapters. Now let us have a quick look at one of these interactives here. So you can see here that a tick mark appears on the interactive tab, which conveys that I have already practiced or viewed this interactive. Now there is also an information button on the top right corner here. Let me see what it conveys. So it says, a tick mark will appear in front of the video once you have completely watched 75% of it, and the data will be uploaded accordingly in the pie chart. Now this application also comes with many benefits for the students, as it saves a lot of time for buying study material from the shops. Now it will also allow the students to read the NCERT solutions from the app with just a few simple clicks. The Study tab also provides a feature of viewing the 4 videos which were recently watched under the Last Viewed Videos tab. The last 4 videos under this tab come along with the module name, the chapter name, and the subject from which the video was played. Now let us have a quick look at some of the anchor-based videos. Now it is very important to track a child's performance. The application provides the feature of tracking the total learning time of the student with the help of a line graph. The line graph is present for all the subjects as well as for any particular subject. Now it provides the data for the last week as well as over the last 2 months. The total number of modules watched by the student of all the subjects can also be monitored by the parents, and this data is represented using a pie chart on the home page itself. The parents can also track the number of interactives viewed and not viewed for different subjects. Happy learning!